Welcome to the next session of computer class. So last class we are read up to the motherboard, and motherboard, the function of the motherboard, the main classification of the motherboard, as I told you: processor, BIOS, memory chip, external storage controller, and expansion slot. So I think very clear you are about this matter. The next thing, what more internal parts are there, that we'll see now. The sound card. This is your sound card. The sound card is one of the small card which fixed inside the CPU, and that card controls the sound part of your computer system. Sometimes music is playing by the computer, sometimes different types of sound it is generating by the computer, sometimes song it is playing by the computer. So these entire types of sound generating work is controlled by this sound card. Though without sound card it cannot generate. So this is one of the fixed upon the expansions component, and which is fixed in the motherboard itself, and it help the software, and the sound or song or music, whatever it will generate, software is required. Apart from the software, hardwareically it will be make it function by these sound cards. Okay, and the sound card converts the incoming digital audio data, whatever incoming digital audio data it is coming from different sources of the computer, so that will be into analog audio, so that the speaker can play it. Speaker can play the analog signals, analog sound. It converts it into digital audio data to analog, digital, and analog. Digital, that means what? That is in the manner of electrical pulses, that is 0 and 1 basis, that is digital. Okay, and it will be converted into analog manner, analog audio sound, by which the speaker can receive it, because speaker cannot receive the digital signals. Okay, so that one, so it will be converted into what? The analog sound, and thereafter it will send to the speaker, then speaker can play it. So this one in details you will read about the higher class only. Then in the receiving case, the sound card can convert the analog audio data from the microphone into digital data that can be stored in the computer. Thereafter what? While you are speaking, another one work also it performs, that is the sound card. When you are speaking through the microphone, and that microphone, it will be connected to the computer. So whatever you are speaking against the microphone, so that microphone receives the analog type of sounds. Okay, so analog sounds it receives, audio sounds, and that one, after receiving, it will send to the sound card, and sound card will be converted into digital signal. Then it will send to your memory device, memory unit, where it can be stored. Directly analog signal cannot be stored in the where? In the memory. So it will be digitally manner to convert this sound card. It is helping us. Then next thing it is that video card. Video card is known as the graphic card. This one, video card. It is also called what? Graphic card. And this graphic card also, it is fixed in the motherboard, and to generate the video output, okay, on the screen, such a monitor and television, that one enhance the quality of the display of image and contain the own processor in the memory. So when digital signal it comes from the computer, any type of digital signal, it is to be supplied to the output device. So this monitor is the output device. Okay, your television type of monitor it is. So this monitor or video is the output device. It can receive and display that all things. How it will be displayed, that all can be controlled by your video card. How the signals can be displayed in the computer screen, it will be controlled by what? By video card. Then the next point is the CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit, full form Central Processing Unit, and this Central Processing Unit consisting of two basic components, electronics components, processor chip and memory chip. Memory chip, where you can store something, that is a small powerful component, and processor, microprocessor chip also it is called. And this chip, the microprocessor chip, okay, this is a primary two elements. Everything you can detach, but these two you cannot detach. This is a prime thing in the computer, microprocessor chip and memory chip. Without this, the computer is nothing. It is just like a box, useless box. So these two chip, it is a very small. Look at your picture. Okay, page number 3. Look at your picture. Okay, so there it is given. So this picture it is. As you are looking, this is your picture. Okay, so this is a microprocessor chip, and very small. It is very small one. Okay, very small one, just like your thumbnail size. Okay, so that is very small but very powerful unit processor it is. Okay, and this processor can perform two type of tasks. One, this arithmetic logic unit, it is arithmetic logic work, all types of calculation, mathematical addition, subtraction performs. Who? This processor chip. Okay, due to this processor only, all types of processing work it performs, calculation work it performs. Then control unit also here. Control, to control the entire device, just like in our human body, your brain is to control all the organs of our body. Okay, so like that manner, the control unit is also in the processor chip. Okay, and this control unit can control all the functions of the computer system. The entire computer system can be controlled by this the processor only. That's the control unit of the processor. The next thing, it is memory unit. Memory unit, that means it is a other part of your CPU. It is a other type of chip. Okay, this processor chip perform two tasks: arithmetic logic unit as work, as well as the control work. Okay, control unit work. And this memory unit work is that memory, all types of storing work, because without storing also computer cannot do anything. So first work is to, prime work is to store whatever you are giving. It may be your number or word or sentence or picture, whatever you are giving, it should be stored in the memory of the computer. So that memory, it is an internal memory, it is called also. And this memory chip, it is a one small kind of small chip is there, so that is called your memory chip. And it hence this memory chip, it stores and enables the computer to store data and instructions. Now we'll see again how the memory it is divided, configuration of the memory of the computer. Okay, so that we'll see now.